tana kale ni gesang in shimel sejam khutne.
The Village Defence Committee of Nongstoin area is working closely with the West Khasi Hills Police in reduce crime and anti-social activities. The committee recently met with the Director General of Police, Meghalaya, to discuss challenges, particularly regarding narcotics-related crimes. Additionally, the committee seeks uniforms for distinct identity during patrols and is advocating for streamlined registration processes for village defence committees to assess necessary benefits. The committee also proposes regular night patrols, CCTV installations and stricter enforcement against illegal alcohol sales to combat drug abuse and crime in Nongstoin town.
Kaji presiton kajongi bangi kia ni modensu abangi kunyu udrox bakaji kun kajongi kalau bahasa soba ti por bar hadu mentaki don ki kena ki bala kerni udrox kila kelak abamut mana kalian kajongi la kemi non di drugs bagi non di drugs ni lem non ngira ba jaki saki hall ni counseling yaki ni counseling ni khot yaki mi pa ki jongki ni ong hang tu bang yang ni kai ni kun ki jongpi bakin like no nang di jimlin bas ni te ka ansak bami nangi kalau bangi sukmen ma kalau baki babun ni apa nostoi hi ki balak labamut bandi udrox ndai ga bamen pa pat ki mi di gitu thumai ki badang susdang mentai udrox tene kan jongi do hatu mentangan tu ya ki ginang kem drugs min tresitom pan pen rat bangkong dia hajis ni ho po chak